1, 2, 3, come on!
Hey guys, here we are with another Amazon unboxing and review. Let's go ahead and see what we have in store for you today. What we have here is Solar Lights 1600 lumen. The solar is going to be AmeriTop. As usual, the link is going to be down below. Now this product is boasting that it provides 1600 lumens of light. Now this light does come with an adjustable head, so that way you can actually move the lighting up, down, as well as the two rotating heads on the corners allow a larger spread. This does come with a standard solar panel. It is able to be mounted with 4 screws up to the side of the building, so that way you can adjust it to catch as much sunlight as possible. Now, already attached to the back of this light is actually a mounting plate. So this plate would be the one that you actually put on the surface and screw it tight, and then the lamp would actually go and slide into place. I found that there is a little bit of give to it, so what I did was add an additional screw to the top of the light that prevented the light from being able to just be lifted off. I'm not quite sure if this was done on purpose or if this one that I received just had a little bit looser mounting plate than usual, but it is something to look out for and to always test. Now, in terms of brightness, this light is blindingly bright, both in the daylight as well as during the nighttime. I cannot deny that this thing will output light like no other. I've only had one other one that came similar to this, and I gotta say this one really kind of takes the cake right now. As far as it goes, most of my other solar lights are obviously the smaller cell ones, so I think I wasn't quite prepared for how much light this actually puts out, but it does a good job. Overall, it does have a lot of spill. It doesn't necessarily have a hot spot because of the fact that the light radiates out. So that's a good thing because it means that it provides a lot of flood lighting. The bad thing is that since the top light or middle light is only adjustable so much, you can't make it focus directly down or extreme down. Now, this limitation comes from 2 factors. One, the main light that's in the middle can only be rotated down so much, but then 2, even when you get to a certain point, your motion sensor, if you have it facing further up to catch more forward motion, will actually stop the light from being able to face down. Now this is actually just going to be something that's inherent to these type of lights or this type of setup, because the motion sensor usually sits on the bottom and it's only so far away from the light head. So the sign is actually pretty common, and they all face the same kind of scenario where they are limited as to how much you can point the top of the light before it hits the bottom of the sensor, if you're trying to create a scenario where the light spills further down but yet the sensor points further up. So this is not really anything you can blame this particular manufacturer for, because as stated earlier, this is just a inherent flaw in this type of system, because there's only so much give there, and the actual motion sensor is attached directly to the light housing. Here are all the pages for the user manual. Feel free to go ahead and pause the video. Alright, now for everybody that stayed on this video so far, we have a little treat. We're going to see this light in action. As you can see here, once the light comes on, it actually lights up a lot of the area. So now that we're done with that, time for some slow motion fun.